Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here at the Southern District of New York Courthouse today, December 30th, 2025. Now, a case was filed in the docket late last night. It was a notice of removal. These get filed all the time, but this one was entitled Wolff versus Trump. So I opened it up thinking it might be the president. It's actually Melania Trump. It's the defamation case that was filed actually right here. On one side, we have 40 Foley Square. On the other side, we have 60 Center Street. It was filed in state court by Michael Wolff, the journalist, against Melania Trump. Some called it a kind of a preemptive defamation case. Anyway, it was filed in state court in New York, and Melania Trump has filed a notice of removal to move it to federal court. She's saying that she doesn't live in New York, so it's a diversity of jurisdiction case. Now, I just put it up without commentary. But this given rise to a lot of questions are fine. Some people are saying, like, it's so hateful. What do you have against her? And it's like, it's just a filing. It's a filing. It's a notice of removal of a case. But I will say this. So it'll get assigned to a judge in federal court here in the SDNY. Maybe there will be discovery into where, the domicile. These things it happens. And it will either proceed in federal court or state court. Now, some have also been saying, well, she wants removal because Pam Bondi controls the federal court. I'm here enough that I can tell you that not all judges here are. That's not how it works. That's is all I'll say. And most often, at least from what I've seen, you have banks. I see a lot of cases in which banks are seeking to remove cases from state court to federal court, not necessarily because they own the judges, but because they think that the law is more favorable to them. Or the whole idea behind it was that you shouldn't be facing the plaintiff's sort of home court advantage, that if in fact you live in another state, you should be able to take it to the federal system, which is thought to somehow be more objective, even if they're applying New York law. So it's kind of a little bit pedantic, but I thought I would give a little explainer, and we're going to be following that case. And if this is the last one that you see, Happy New Year. Inner City Press, to be continued.